You may have noticed that Canva offers two similarly named features, Your Starred and Starred Content, but they serve different purposes. It's understandable if you're feeling a bit confused by the similarities in their names, especially given that they both involve bookmarking items. However, each serves a unique function in helping you stay organized, and once you know the differences, you'll be able to use them more effectively. The Your Starred section is a tool for organizing and quickly accessing your own folders, designs, and brand templates. This feature is available in Canva's left side navigation and allows you to bookmark personal or team-created items for easy retrieval. You can even group these starred items into custom sections to keep them organized and reorder them as needed, providing a more tailored and efficient workspace. If you'd like to dive deeper into how to use the Your Starred feature, I have other related videos that explain its functionality in more detail, and I'll share links to those below. On the other hand, starred content is designed for bookmarking elements such as Canva templates, graphics, and other items from Canva's own library. Unlike the Your Starred feature, starred content is not for bookmarking your own designs, but for storing and quickly finding templates or elements you frequently use. Since Canva's recent Glow Up update, the starred content folder has moved from the project section and is now located under templates. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.